Assalamualaikum dear, his time enjoyed. My friend is my old teacher, is my same class is the student, and my teacher is the son Mr. Qurban Ali, and my teacher the name Sir Muhammad Hassan is the Maroon. Hello my dear Qurban Ali, how are you?
I am fine, and you?
I am quite well, thanks. This time what are you to enjoy?
Actually, we are very today. I am happy, and
Yes, come on. Why they are laughing? Yes, come on. He's my dear, the student is the 10th class. He's the right of the English, and he's the tuition not of the study. He's my neighbor who's in my village. He's the school who's the teachers. Nurses study is English. As best man, my man teachers, and who's the son Sai Muhammad Hassan Burgri, and who's son of Qurban Ali. Qurban Ali, how many the brother have you?
I have 5 brothers. My elder brother.
5 brother. Okay. He's the big brother of the name Inayatullah, who's working of the shop, and the Dumbalo is the shop. And next is the brother. His father of the duty is the primary teachers, not of who was working and understands my here. Qurban, you are the future is school study. What are you the job?
Actually, I will become the doctor.
Oh yes, nice.
That's my big dream.
Yeah, okay.
Inshallah, that's my dream is very.
Inshallah, all my friend is prayers, and my friend is Qurban Ali is the best of their speeches in English. As tell me the English tells I know to study. Understand it my prayer. Good morning, good evening. Have a nice day. Okay, bye.